My name is Kirk. I'm the Technical Support Manager here in the Pacific Northwest, and today I wanted to talk to you about using AIM EC herbicide as part of your potato desiccation program. AIM EC herbicide can be used as a standalone desiccant or in a tank mix with other labeled desiccants. When we look at how we want to use AIM EC herbicide as part of your defoliation program, we first need to look at vine health. We'll start with our standard recommendation of 2 ounces of AIM EC herbicide, tank mix with Regulone desiccant, or 4 ounces of AIM EC herbicide by itself on mature, naturally senescing vines. You can see from these pictures, 12 days after application, we have almost complete desiccation, and by 21 days, we have complete desiccation of every potato vine in the field, with the exception of the bull vines in the untreated check. We take that same recommendation and apply it to a field that has not naturally senescing or not quite hit that senescence phase, similar to this. We see that 4 ounces of AIM EC herbicide is a standalone, or 2 ounces plus a desiccant after 21 days do not quite cut it when we're dealing with healthy, vigorously growing vines. What these slides show us that if we're going to use AIM EC herbicide by itself, we're going to need to plan on a second application 7 to 10 days after the initial application. When we look at a tank mix with Regulone desiccant, we can still increase the rate of AIM EC herbicide in that tank mix, as we see from this next picture, 2 days after application. Increasing the rate of AIM EC herbicide with your pint of Regulone desiccant really increases the performance. With all of these applications, we want to make sure we have 2% volume per volume of an MSO, whether it's a standalone or in a tank mix. And we always want to add a full measure of ammonium sulfate for water conditioning. Other things we want to keep in mind when using AIM EC herbicide as part of your potato desiccation program is we want to use 10 gallons of water by air and 20 gallons of water by ground. We have a 7-day PHI. Our maximum single use rate is 5.8 ounces per application, and our season max use rate is 11.6 ounces of AIM EC herbicide per season. Keep in mind we are labeled on all potato varieties, including potatoes grown for seed. We are globally aligned from an MRL standpoint, and we have 0 processor restrictions when using AIM EC herbicide as part of your desiccation program. Thank you very much.